As a Ukrainian drone spotted a tank in hiding, the drone, only equipped with high explosive dual-purpose grenade, had a hard task as the tank had a large coat cage without any hatches open, and a tree with branches protecting the tank, making drops even harder. As the drone starts targeting the tank, trying to hit fuel bottles placed upon the tank, these were probably empty as the grenade hit next to them without any chain reaction, but instead hit tank rounds placed next to the ground, which the drone operator seemed to have missed as the blast fragmentation of the grenade caused the ammunition to catch fire. The whole pile just placed out in the open catches fire, leading to a huge fire splattering all around, destroying more ammunition, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.